Mamma Mita here. So now this video is going to be taking us a little bit farther south, down to Mexico. This is a Mexican quiche. So the first thing I did is I fried up my hamburger meat. Now normally when I make this Mexican quiche, I use chorizo. But I didn't have that, so I was wanting this quiche, so I'm like, that's okay. I'm not going to go down the store to get the special stuff, you know, the special sausages. I'm just not going to do that. I'm just going to do it with hamburger meat. So I've got hamburger meat and a little minced up garlic here. And I'm going to put that in my bowl. Hold on. So that's the first thing I'm going to add, is I'm going to add the hamburger meat. Now, the next thing I'm adding is I've got chopped up, put my glass on here a second. I've got chopped up jalapeños. I've got some chopped up black olives, garlic, some cilantro, a little bit of parsley and bell peppers and some mushrooms. And I chopped all that up. And I'm just going to add that to the bowl. And I had quite a bit of this stuff, so what I did is I saved some of to the side of the chopped up mixture. And I'm gonna mix all that together. And then over here I have 3 eggs. Then I've got about a half a cup of half and half. Gonna mix that in with the eggs. I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. Okay, so a little bit of pepper. And I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Mix that together. And then I like to add just a teeny bit of this. Not a lot, but just to give it that Mexican flavor. Okay, add that in there. Then I'm gonna add my cheese. And I usually just add a cup of cheese. And this is a Mexican blended cheese. But sometimes, you know, I might add Parmesan. If I'm making a different type of quiche, I might add another type of flavor of cheese. And then I'm going to add that into that. And I'm going to mix that all together. And then I've got my greased pan. And I didn't put a... And that's all I'm going to do. And I'm going to put this in the oven, a 350 oven. And this is not a really full pan because it's just myself. So I'm going to probably check on it in about 30 minutes. And that's it. So I'll put that in the oven. And I will set the timer for 30 minutes. Coming back to the next thing, you remember the mixture that I put in the quiche? So now I took that, I put it in a bowl, and I shredded some cabbage with that. And so this is going to be a Mexican cabbage salad. And then for my dressing, I put a little bit of this, teeny bit, like maybe about a 1/4 of a teaspoon. And then I put some lime juice, I put olive oil, I put some salt, and now I'm going to add a little bit of pepper because I forgot the pepper. Okay, there's my pepper. I use the fresh garlic, a little bit of fresh garlic in that. I'm just going to mix that up, blend it up. These are things I like them. You can get them at Walmart. They're not cheap though, but you can also use another smaller jar if you find them. Mix that all up, and then I'm going to pour that on my salad. It's cheaper when you make your own salad and dressing, and you can control what's going in it, which is really good for me. Because if I take and I look at the salad dressing, it has way too much salt for me. I just cannot do store-bought salad dressing. Too much salt. I don't like all the ingredients that they put in. Sometimes I feel like, yeah, you know, that's not good for me to eat that, you know. But it's the hypertension that gets me that I really have to watch that. So by making your own salad dressing, it's cheaper. You can control your salt. And sometimes these have, you know, sugar in them too, so you can watch that also. So that's all I'm gonna do, and that's ready to be eaten at that point. So I'll have that with a piece of my quiche for lunch today. So there's the salad. So I'll come back in about 30 minutes and show you what the quiche looks like. Okay guys, I forgot to push my button on my mic, so I'm gonna have to do a voiceover. So in this video part, I am telling you that it came out just great. The quiche pie looks wonderful. I mean, I'm already cutting it, and I did cheat a little bit on the salad and had to try a little bit, taste it. Sorry, but it was just too tempting, and it was really good. So you guys, this came out just perfect. And if you like this video today, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate that. Bye now.